All right, we are out on our pirate ship. What do you think, Butter? This is a great adventure. We're out in the middle of the lake, but we also have a lot of work to do, and sometimes you need internet. Unlimitedville sent us the coolest thing. Check this out. This is from Unlimitedville. It is a wireless router that hooks to all kinds of networks. So basically giving you internet when you can't have internet. And I don't like to have to work like on the internet when I'm out doing stuff, but sometimes I have to. And once we're done with this survival challenge that we're doing right now, we're going to want to be able to be out here with the family. We want to be able to watch maybe a little bit of Netflix on our Wi-Fi. We could have the projector set up. I actually have it with us. We might watch Pirates of the Caribbean while we're out here. And we could set the projector up here on the camera stand. And then we could put the little pop-out projector screen right here because we have Unlimitedville. You could have a cabin on a lake and you don't have internet. You don't even have phone service there maybe, but you could link your phone to your Limitedville and have it and picking up service from a different service provider, and it does all that automatically for you. And then all of a sudden maybe you have a cabin, maybe you have a house even that doesn't have good service there. You get your Unlimitedville and now you have Wi-Fi at your place, and it's easy to hook up. I mean, I opened the box, I screwed it to the wall, I took the power cord, plugged that in, ran it down here, and opened up the phone and connected to the internet. Simple. It's a monthly subscription. You pay for it, you have internet like that. Cinchy. Total cinchy. Is that a word? Cinchy? Total cinchy. Then you could be off grid with your wireless internet if you got an off-grid power source for it, because it doesn't consume a lot of power. I'm trying to think if there's anything more than that. What do you think, Mr. Rooster? This is our rooster for the trip. He keeps waking us up really early because we've been staying up late watching movies. No, I'm just kidding. We haven't been watching movies yet. I don't think he's going to make it all that longer. So I'm probably going to use my Limitedville, look up a recipe for him. I'm thinking a chicken fricassee would be really good. What do you think? Rooster fricassee? Yeah. You guys can check it out, linked in the description below, above, wherever it is on whatever thing, or just go directly to Limitedville. You can see it on the screen here. Get yourself some Wi-Fi wherever you're at with Unlimitedville. And check us out, Fowler's Maker of Mischief on YouTube. Waterworld Season 2.0 coming soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Fowler out. Unlimitedville. Check it out, linked in the description below. Come on, show some enthusiasm. Unlimitedville? You watch dog videos for hours on end? Where? What? What? Who's that? Unlimitedville? I can watch cat videos wherever I go? Game changer.
Soon may the weatherman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tagging is done, we'll take our leave and go. She had not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain